This is not a magic trick. This is a fun experiment. Roll a piece of paper into a ball and stuff it into a cup. Turn the cup upside down into the water. Take it out again and you will find the paper will not get wet. Pour the bottle full of water. Place a ping pong ball on the mouth of the bottle filled with water. Turn the bottle upside down. The water in the bottle will absorb the ping pong ball. Pour detergent and warm water into the dry ice. The dry ice bubbles are created. Very beautiful. Rub the balloon on a towel close to the water flow. The water is attracted to the balloon. Rub the PVC pipe on the rag a few times, close to the can bottle. Transform the PVC pipe into a magic wand. Attract the can bottle to roll. Put a match into the end of the paper straw. Wrap it with tinfoil. Pinch the tinfoil tightly on one end of the match. Put it in the cup. Light the match. The magic happens. Turn the cup upside down and smoke will come out. It's beautiful. Did you know that matches have a special magic? Light the match, and then the matches can be sucked up by a magnet. Do you know why? Follow me. Teach you more small science experiments.